All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. We're still going over our Web3Py favorites module, and we're still going over our PDB or our Python debugger screen here. And yesterday, I just pulled it up for you. I didn't actually show you what we can do with it. So today, we're going to do some exploring to see what we can actually do. So let's say, for example, we put our break somewhere way down in our code, and we had all of this stuff above, and we couldn't record what we had, and we want to record some of it. So we could do something like this. You see, we have the favorites contract here. What we can do here is we go to the debugger shell. We'll just type in favorites contract like this. And we can run that. And you can see we get the class of the favorites contract without having to print anything out. We just get and type it just like that into the line. It'll pull it up for us. Let's see if we forgot what the compilation details were. We'll just go ahead and type that in. So compilation details. We get the compilation details again. Let's go up a little bit. You can see we have our byte code here. We have our ABI code here. That'll be that. And then we can let's do W3, our variable W3 here, which holds our Web3 function. So we just do this. And you can see we have the W3 here, which is our main inside of our main function. It's a W3 object, and it's at this address here, as you can see. So basically, that's some of the things we can do with the debugger shell. Like I said, if we do have a large code and we want to just break it off at a certain point and go over certain things we went over previously, we just dive into our shell, type what we want to go over, and it'll pull it up for us so we can explore that particular part of the contract piece by piece. So that's basically the debugger shell. We're done with that now, so we're going to move forward. But I will keep you posted every step of the way as we move forward. But for now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.